and welcome to the Scrapping Studio. My name is Tracy Walker, Creative Memories Advisor in Des Moines, Iowa. And this is kind of a preview video of the project playbook for the Poolside Paradise. This is a 3-part video series where I go through the project playbook and do all the cuts, mistakes and all. I just have to warn you, and that's okay. Like, you don't have to get hung up. I just want to make clarifier. It's okay if you make a mistake. So we go through the cutting guide, and then video 2 is laying out this page and this page, and then video 3 is these 2 pages. And let me show you. I have them backwards. Oops. Well, let's get these in order. All right. So layout number 1, super cute. I love the lanterns. I wish I would just use lanterns on all. So this is, let's make sure I get this in the right place. I don't need the border maker system. Move that out of the way. So this is pages 1 and 2. So this is layout number 1 for that. Super cute. And then put those aside. This is layout number 2, which is pages 3 and 4. Get those for that. And that's using the scalloped bubble border punch. And it turned out super cute. Love that. And then layout number 3, which is a 1-pager only. And this one, I did use foam squares in a lot of places, and you'll see that if you watch the videos. And then here is the last one. It's got a foam square stuck to it for that. This one, it didn't have you cut mats for it, so I just used my mats, but it turned out super cute. So this was layout number 4, layout number 3, layout number 2. Love the pool tiles. And then layout number 1. And that kind of sticks to, put it right here like that. And with the lanterns, I did put those up on foam squares as well. So thanks for joining me in this preview. If you want to go through the step-by-step instructions with me, I will link the videos below in the description, as well as information on how to connect with me. I have an Instagram and Facebook account along with this YouTube channel. I do hold 7 events a year. My next big event is in October. It's a 3-day weekend event. I also have a 1-day event that is August 23rd, kind of a back to school, at least here in Iowa. Kids are pretty much have gone back to school. Kids are back at college, so it's a perfect time to kind of get your scrapbook stuff out and scrapbook your summer. I also do Sketch Sunday videos where I am working through a book that Creative Memories came out with. And I'm sorry for the really squeaky chair, but I was going to reach in my bag from vacation and pull out this book. My Sketch Sunday is we're going through this 52 scrapbooking project recipes. And so each week I post a new one, and it's, so you'll have to go in and watch those. I've been doing those since the beginning of the year. But like I said, I usually post those around noon every Sunday. And once again, if you want to connect with me, look up the Scrapping Studio on Instagram, Facebook, and here on YouTube. Thanks again for joining me, and have a great day.